There's
criminal.
no proof that I fed my kids.
Yes, there is.
You have no proof.
I just showed you proof.
That was just some lips. I don't even know who that was. Could have been anybody.
You were feeding your kids,
No.
and you must be fined, or else you'll be going to Judy.
Now, if you have a video of me feeding my children, that's different, but you don't have that.
I showed you.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
Then there will be no choice but for you to be handcuffed. Hold on.
This is very unfair. You know that.
Handcuffed. What do you have to say for yourself, criminal?
I have nothing to say for myself.
You'll be going to Judy in a few seconds. Oh, there's our car waiting for you. Bye-bye.